Hey everyone, we're going to be moving on here to our first forward contract question. The question states first here that the current spot price for corn is 4.431 per bushel, and you're going to long 10,000 forward contracts that expire in 1 quarter, that the forward price is 4.525 per bushel. So part A asks us what is the risk-free rate implied by these prices. So we know here that a forward contract is going to be equal to the future value of asset at time 0, which is equal to the asset at time 0 compounded continuously, which is the e to the RT. So to set up this problem up here, we have our forward contract price, which is 4.525. That's the future value. Oops, sorry. 525. We're going to set that equal to the current spot price, which is 4.431, compounded continuously, e to the RT. And we don't know what the R is, that's what the question is asking for, but we do know it expires in 1 quarter, so that's RT. So just R times 0.25. Here, R 0.25. So just setting this up algebraically, simple problem, just solve for the R, divide both sides by 4.431, which gives us 1.0212 is equal to e to the power of R times 0.25. And then we're going to take the natural log of both sides. The natural log of 1.0212 is 0.02099, and just the natural log of an exponential is just going to be whatever's, we're just going to eliminate the e there, which gives us just 0.25 times r, and then divide both sides by 0.25, we get r is equal to 0.08396, and that's going to be the interest rate. So for part B here, we need to know that our profit for a forward contract is going to be, in a long position, is going to be the price of our asset at the time of the expiration minus the forward price, which is just right here. The formula is pretty simple. So in this case here, we're going to have the price of the asset in 1 quarter, which is 4.802, minus our forward price, which is 4.525. And since we bought 10,000 contracts, we're just going to multiply this by 10,000. That gives us our answer of 2770. Okay. Okay, so for the final part here, question C, it states if instead you were short 10,000 forward contracts, what would your profit be if the price for corn for 1 quarter is now 4.318 per bushel? So when we're trying to calculate the profit for a short, it's pretty simple. We'll just take our profit equation here and just turn it into a negative since we're short. You just reverse the signs on everything here whenever you're shorting something. So filling in the blanks here, we have minus 4.318, which is how much the corn costs at time t, minus our forward price, which is 4.525. Multiply that by 10,000. And that gives us 2070. So pretty easy to calculate these out. It's just needing to understand the annotation for everything and just getting it all set up. Pretty straightforward once you get that though with the math.